In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted photos on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your photos on Instagram and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner and go to settings. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Click on request a download. Now click on the second option, select types of information. Since we want to recover our deleted photos on Instagram, therefore you need to search for content option. Select content and click on next. Now all you have to do is to click on the submit request option. And once you click on submit, a file containing your deleted photos on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received the file, all you have to do is open it and there you will find your deleted photos on Instagram. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.